Hello children, welcome to revision series. Again lesson 10, refraction and dispersion of light. Today very quickly we will talk about lenses and the images formed by lenses. But I will not get into ray diagrams of all the images, but first we will do it up. Okay, so let's get going. See, introduction to lenses. What are lens, children? The term lens is applied to a piece of glass or a transparent plastic, usually circular in shape, that has two surfaces. See, that has two surfaces. See, this is one surface, this is another surface. Or this is one surface, this is another surface. And these are the part of circles, children. See, this surface is a part of this circle, this is a part of this circle, that way. Okay. So, what is a lens? Yes, speak out. Lens is a piece of glass or transparent plastic, usually circular in shape, that has two surfaces. Let's underline two. That are ground and polished in specific manner, designed to produce either a convergence or divergence of light. Means, just see the first diagram, children. Can you see the rays coming this way? And after passing through the lens, they are converging at a point. Yes? So, this is called convergence. And see another lens here. Here the lights, as they pass after the refraction, they diverge. Diverge मतलब दूर चले जाती है. Can you see? This way? This? Right? So, either they converge or the light rays diverge. So, when they converge in this lens, so that is also known as converging lens. Okay, converging lens. And here they are diverging in the second picture, so these are known as diverging lens. So convex lens or converging lens are the same, and concave lens and diverging lens are the same. So main two types of lenses are, children, convex lens and the concave lens. Okay. Now let us see about some terms related to lens. Let me draw. Suppose this is a which type of lens, children? Convex lens. Okay. And this is a line passing through it, a straight line. So, this is also a part of a circle, and this is also a part of a circle, isn't it? So, they have center of curvature. So, this line joining the two lenses, this is known as principal axis. Let me write little down. Okay, this line is known as principal axis. And children, here what happens, what else terms I must tell you. This is principal axis. When the rays of light go parallel to this principal axis, after refracting from the lens, converge at a point. This is known as focus or second focus, 2F we will call it. Okay. And the ray passing through principal axis such that after the lens it becomes parallel to the principal axis. This point is known as first focus. Hope you understand, children. So focus and first focus are on both the sides of the lens, and their distance is approximately equal, means this distance and this distance are approximately equal, right? And this point on the lens where the light rays pass through it and they go straight, this point is known as optical center. So children, hope you understood all these points. कौन से points है children? प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस समझ गए, ऑप्टिकल सेंटर लेंस के अंदर है, ऑप्टिकल सेंटर इज इन द लेंस, ओके, right, through which when the ray of light passes it goes without deviating or bending from its path. Then first focus is the point on the principal axis through which when light passes and then it becomes parallel to the, after refraction by the lens it becomes parallel to the principal axis. And second focus is the point on which the light after passing through the lens converges on a point. So these are the few points, right? Now about talking about image. So हम लोगों ने क्या क्या पढ़ा? Principal axis, optical center, first focus and second focus. Okay. Now we will talk about type of images. जब हम image देखते हैं, image जो बनती है object का, we can define it in terms of size. It can be smaller than the object, we call it diminished. Okay, it can be of the same size or it can be bigger, we call it enlarged, right? For example, suppose this is a principal axis, this is a lens and this is a object. The rays are falling, right, and converging, and this which passes through optical center goes straight. So now suppose this is a image formed. So see, this is almost of the same size. Had the image been formed here, it would have been smaller. Had it would have been formed here, it would have been bigger, isn't it? So the size of we describe the image by the size. Smaller, if it is smaller than the object, we call it diminished, or of the same size, or bigger, we call it enlarged. Okay. Then it is real or virtual. Real image can be obtained on screen. Virtual image cannot be obtained on screen. Like your image in the mirror is a virtual image, cannot be obtained on screen. Okay, now see, and another thing, when suppose this is a lens, here is the object. If the image formed is on the opposite side of the lens, this is object and this is image. If it is on the opposite side of the lens, if image is on the opposite side of the lens, then it is real image. Okay, let me show the image with another color. This is image, and if the image is on the same side of the object, this is object and image on the same side, then it is a virtual image. Okay, so this is about nature of image, whether it is real or virtual, right? Understood? Then it is real and virtual हो गया. Then it is erect, or upright or inverted, right? For example, this is the lens, this is the object, this is the image. If it is like this, it is inverted, and if it is like this, it is upright. So understood? This is the way we define the type of image. कौन से टर्म से डिफाइन करते हैं चिल्ड्रन? साइज से, रियल, वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट और अपराइट. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट लेंस, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कॉन्केव लेंस फर्स्ट. कॉन्केव लेंस, इसको और क्या बोलते हैं? डाइवर्जिंग लेंस, इजंट इट? एंड ये कैसा होता है? ऐसा. It is very simple to learn about concave lens because the image formed by concave lens is always virtual. Means if the object is here, the image will also form on this side only. Okay. So it is virtual. Second thing, it is erect. Can you see it is erect? प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस सेंटर में बनाएंगे बेटा. कैन यू सी इट इज इरेक्ट? दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट, दिस इज इमेज. ओके, इट इज ऑलवेज वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट एंड डिमिनिश्ड. छोटी, आपको दिख रहा है ऑब्जेक्ट से इमेज छोटी है, उसी साइड बन रही है जिस साइड ऑब्जेक्ट है, तो उसको वर्चुअल बोलेंगे. एरो ऊपर ही है, इरेक्ट है, छोटी है, diminished है. Always remember, in concave lens the image is always virtual, erect and diminished, and position also is fixed. It is always located between optical center and F. This is optical center, suppose this is F, so image is always between optical center and F. So can you learn this thing? So many a times they ask you, write the characteristics of image formed by concave lens, virtual, erect, diminished. So, and if they ask you if the image formed is virtual, erect and diminished, which type of lens is used? Then you will say concave lens. And where will the image be formed? Always between optical center and focus. Okay, so can you learn that? And image is formed on the same side as the object is. I am not showing here ray diagram because I am just doing fast revision of images formed. Now if we talk about convex lens, we also call it converging lens. Okay, here the nature of the image keep changing, okay, and position also keep changing. Here the position was, what is the position of image by concave lens? Always between optical center and focus. Now let's see that. एक बार try करते हैं. This is principal axis and this is the lens, right? Now the first position of object की बात करते हैं, ठीक है? Position of object, right? So position of object first case में हम लोग बोल देते हैं infinite. Now this is optical center, this is F, this is 2F. Again this is F and this is 2F. तो आपको बेटा बस एक चीज़ ही याद रखना है, फिर आगे आप बहुत आसानी से याद करते जाओगे। पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज, ओके, और फिर नेचर याद कर लेंगे हम लोग, और फिर साइज़ याद कर लेंगे। नॉट सो डिफ़िकल्ट, बस पहला एक फर्स्ट वाला आप याद रख लो बेटा, उसके बाद सब इजीली याद होता जाएगा। नाउ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ एट इनफाइनाइट। इनफाइनाइट समझ के नज़र नहीं आ रहा आपको, ठीक है, ऑब्जेक्ट कहीं दूर है, नज़र नहीं आ रहा। देन द इमेज फॉर्म्ड इज़ एट फोकस एंड इट इज़ वेरी स्मॉल। मैं पर्पल से इमेज बनाऊंगी और ब्लैक से ऑब्जेक्ट बनाऊंगी, ठीक है। तो व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ वेरी फार, देन द इमेज इज़ ऑन फोकस एंड नेचर आप देखिए कैसा है, वेरी स्मॉल। वेरी स्मॉल मतलब क्या हो गया, डिमिनिश्ड, सॉरी नॉट नेचर में ये नहीं आ गया, साइज़ क्या हो गया, वेरी स्मॉल। वेरी स्मॉल को क्या बोलते हैं, डिमिनिश्ड, ओके। अब आप नेचर पर आ जाइए। ऑब्जेक्ट इज दिस साइड समवेयर, लाइट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर, ओके, एंड image is formed on the opposite side of the lens, so what we will call it, real, real हो गया, right, and when it is formed on opposite side it is real and it is inverted। आपको नज़र नहीं आ रहा है अभी क्योंकि बहुत छोटी इमेज बनी है, we call it inverted, okay। so when, एक आपको याद हो गया, व्हेन द पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज इनफाइनाइट, तो फर्स्ट की इमेज कहाँ बन गई, फोकस पर। नाउ अनदर पोजीशन इज, अब पोजीशंस देख लो कौन कौन सी, ये फर्स्ट पोजीशन है, फर्स्ट पोजीशन इनफाइनाइट। व्हाट इज दिस हैपनिंग, okay, now first position is infinite, second position will be beyond f, I told you कि I will use black। now second position is beyond 2f, 2f के बाद, ठीक है। third position will be at 2f, sorry, this is beyond 2f, third position will be 2f, fourth position will be, children, between f and 2f, between 2f and f, and fifth position will be, children, on f, right, and sixth position will be between f and OF। ये आप याद रख सकते हो। फर्स्ट पोजीशन क्या हो गई, इनफाइनाइट, आई कैन नॉट ड्रॉ हियर, सो दिस इज सेकेंड पोजीशन, this is third position, this is fourth, and this is fifth, and this is sixth। now as they will move, infinite का image बना focus पर, gradually the size will keep increasing, ठीक है। अब second beyond 2f का बनेगा between f and 2f। I told you I will make image with purple, so it will be between f and 2f, okay। oh my god, okay, so when it is on beyond 2f, can you see the image is on, ये second position है, right, second डाल रही हूँ मैं image की, कहाँ हो गया second position image का, between f and 2f। अब आपको दिख रहा है, अब ये दूसरी साइड है, object is on another side and image is on another side, so again it would be real, अगेन इट इज़ इन्वर्टेड, उल्टी दिख रही है आपको इमेज, ओके, एंड साइज ऑल्सो स्मॉल, साइज भी स्मॉल है, isn't it? So diminished, so easy to learn. तो सेकेंड हो गया between f and 2 beyond 2f. अब थर्ड हो गया 2f, so the image is also on 2f, right? So remember this, very important. When the object is at 2f, the image is also at 2f. Again it is real, again it is inverted, and it is of same size. तो 2f पर सेम साइज हो गए. आप देख रहे हो ग्रेजुअली इमेज का साइज बढ़ रहा है, ठीक है. अब 2f हो गया, देन कम्स, आप देखते जाइए बेटा, फोर्थ कहाँ पर है, ये है फोर्थ, बिटवीन f एंड 2f. सो इमेज विल बी बियॉन्ड 2f. कैन यू सी? सो वेयर विल बी इमेज? बियॉन्ड 2f. अगेन real, again inverted, right? But now it is larger, we can call it magnified or enlarged, ठीक है. Now then when it is at f, अब between f and 2f हो गया, अब आ गया at f point, then it would be very far off, or you can say at infinity. जब इन्फिनिटी पर था तो f पर इमेज बनी थी, जब f पर ऑब्जेक्ट है तो इमेज कहाँ बनेगी? इन्फिनिटी, ओके. अगेन इट इज़ रियल, इन्वर्टेड बट मैग्नीफाइड. तो आप क्या देख रहे हो, जैसे जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट बढ़ता जा रहा है लेंस के पास, इमेज लेंस से दूर जाती जा रही है और साइज इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है इमेज का, isn't it? But special case now, when the object is between f and OF, then the image is formed on the same side where the object is, okay. So अब इसका पोजीशन देखिए आप, क्या हो गया बेटा, beyond the f point on the same side. इसका पोजीशन क्या हो गया? on the same side as object. and कहाँ हो गया? beyond 2f, okay. एंड अब इसका आप नेचर देखिए, इट इज़ ऑन द सेम साइड, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? वर्चुअल. अब उल्टा है या सीधा? तो वर्चुअल इमेजेस हमेशा सीधी होती है, तो क्या हो गया ये? इरेक्ट, ठीक है. एंड साइज कैसा है? एनलार्ज्ड, और यू कैन से मैग्नीफाइड. तो ऐसे ही बेटा बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट टू से, जैसे कि कॉन्वेक्स लेंस is making a real image and a point sized image. So where is the object placed? The image by convex lens is formed at focus, a point image, and it is real. So where is the object placed? Then you will write at infinity. And if the question comes, if the convex lens makes a virtual image and on the same side as the object, where is the object placed? Then you will write between f and O, between focus and optical center, okay. So this way the questions come, children. Is it easy to learn? And naturally, because of this reason, children, because convex lens produce a virtual, erect and magnified image of an object when the object is placed very close to it. right? So a convex lens of very small focal length is given in a magnifying glass. जो मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास होता है उसमें कौन सा लेंस होता है? मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास में कौन सा लेंस होता है? कॉन्वेक्स लेंस। और वो भी क्या होना चाहिए? उसका फोकल लेंथ बहुत स्मॉल होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट जब बहुत पास रखेंगे तब वो बड़ा दिखेगा, ठीक है। एंड मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास कहाँ यूज़ होते हैं? माइक्रोस्कोप में। So can you answer questions like this? Name the type of lens, or maybe name the position of object. ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते बेटा, पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है। तो इसमें मैं आपको लेंस बताऊंगी। मैंने बोला कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है। मैं इमेज की पोजीशन बताऊंगी एंड इमेज का नेचर बताऊंगी। आपको क्या बताना है? पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट। ऐसे कुछ भी बेटा, कोई भी चीज़ दे सकती हूँ और आपको बताना है। सपोज लेंस कॉन्वेक्स है और इमेज की पोजीशन है एट इन्फिनिटी, और इमेज की नेचर है रियल एंड एनलार्ज्ड। टेल मी द पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट। तो इन्फिनिटी है बेटा, तो फिर कहाँ होगा ऑब्जेक्ट? एट फोकस। तो दैट इज़ द आंसर। बस दो चीज़ याद रख लो, कॉन्वेक्स में जब इनफाइनाइट पर है ऑब्जेक्ट तो इमेज बनेगा फोकस पर, और जब ऑब्जेक्ट फोकस पर है तो इमेज बनेगा इनफाइनाइट पर, और बीच में बढ़ाते जाओ। और 2f पर याद कर लो, सेम साइज़ होता है, और 2f के बाद जब इमेज बनती है तो एंडार्ज होती जाती है, ठीक है। Then the nature of image formed by convex lens. Convex lens varies and depends on position of object, isn't it? जैसे जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट चेंज होते जाता है उसका नेचर भी चेंज होता जाता है, इमेज का, और साइज भी। बट कॉन्केव लेंस, मैंने आपको क्या बताया था? कॉन्केव लेंस, the image formed by concave lens is always virtual, erect, diminished and between O and F. इसको बेटा बहुत अच्छे से याद कर लीजिए ये बात को। Image formed by concave lens is always virtual, diminished, erect and between, not erect, sorry beta. Virtual images are always erect, virtual, erect and diminished. Okay. Now, another very important thing about convex lens, many a times they ask you at which position of the object does convex lens acts as a magnifying glass. कौन से जगह पर रखे जब वो मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास का काम करता है? तो कौन सी जगह पर रखना है चिल्ड्रन? बिटवीन, मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास का काम तो कब कर सकता है बेटा? लार्ज एंड मैग्नीफाइड बिटवीन 2f and f also, at f also and f and o also. But if we want erect image, magnified also and erect also, then we need to put it between f and o. Okay. Hope you understood, children, and I am able to make it clear. So that's all for today. Thank you.